You see this dessert cup here? It is creamy, fruity, crunchy. Everything you could ask for a perfect Christmas dessert. Anyone can make this, and this is how to start. First, we'll prep our homemade condensed milk, and for that, we'll bring to a boil 275 ml fresh milk and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This will take you about 15 minutes to achieve your goal, depending on the quantity of your milk and sugar. Continuously stir on a medium heat to prevent burnt. This is one thing you will need again, gelatin sheet or gelatin leaf. You can also go for powder. Now I will bring 5 sheets of this gelatin to a water just to soften it. We need this to bind our mango puree. Our condensed milk looks perfect good at this point. 3 minutes later, gelatin is ready to press out. So you can either melt your gelatin in a microwave for not more than 3 seconds or drop in your condensed milk. As long as the condensed milk is hot, it will get melt easier. What you will do is generously stir to prevent any lumps, but please do not let this stay for too long. If not, you have to heat it up a little bit again. This is the main component for today, our mango puree. We are going for 600 grams of mango puree. If you have fresh mango, please go for fresh one. It has to be very ripe. All you need is just peel it and scoop out the flesh, then mix. But if not, go for canned one. Now I have my puree here. What I will do is pour in our condensed milk and the gelatin. This is why we needed the gelatin to serve as a thickener or as a binder for our puree, okay, because it is liquid and we want to have a little bit of texture in our dessert for today. So stir everything together, get a glass and portion. Pardon my manner if I haven't sent any greeting. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for always being here. And if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed watching this Christmas mango dessert. Please stick around with me to the end. The best is yet to come. You will love it. After nicely portioning your mango cream just like this, cover with a plastic foil, bring to the fridge to rest at least 3 hours or overnight. Mine was overnight and it came out just as I wanted it to be. Another step we will take is to caramelize our walnut, and for that you will introduce 125 ml honey to a non-stickable pan. Now you want to let that get melt, introduce your walnut. So guys, I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. If you are still watching this video to this time, let me say a very big thank you to you. I truly appreciate you. And please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for doing that. After stirring this for some time, you will go in with some cube of butter. Continue to stir until you achieve this nice coffee brown look. Before I forget, please you want to stick by stirring again and again to prevent any burnt. After achieving what you see on the screen, you want to get a parchment paper and spread that. While you do this, please keep your finger away from this caramelized nuts at this point. It is hot. In Austrian language dialect, we will say es ist heiß. Es ist heiß. Okay, so keep your finger away. Now it gets cold very fast. You can do whatever you want after some minutes. It looks very crunchy. You can snack it. It is a perfect snack, I bet you guys, and a healthy one too. Honey and nuts. Now when it gets cold, you want to chop some part of it which we need for later use, and then keep the rest for just topping and all that. This is what I have. I'll pour in a bowl just like this and set aside for now. At this point, you want to put this aside. Now you will get your whipped cream, introduce in a bowl, add in 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Guys, It is up to you. Some like it sweeter and the other not. So adjust to your taste. Add more if you want to have more sugar or lesser. This is just up to you. So after wiping your cream set aside, get your cream cheese, introduce in a bowl, add in some vanilla essence and some lemon juice. Okay, stir that. It is better to stir your cream cheese in a small bowl first before adding to your whipped cream. If you stir your whipped cream too much, it might get lighter than you wish to have it or lighter than expected. Okay, we are not adding anything to bind this, so we want to keep it thick just like this. Okay, so add your cream cheese to your whipped cream and then get a piping bag. It's easier to work with a piping bag, okay, neater to work with a piping bag than using spoon. Now, this is what we have for our mango cream. This is the next day. It looks super good, guys. It's not running on the glass. This is the reason we added the gelatin, okay, to stop it from running. And when you had the cream, okay, the white cheese cream on top, it will not combine together. We want to have this beautiful looks, and it tasted great too. So adding your cream, your walnuts, and then your cream again. I have some biscuits here or some cookies here, any cookies of your choice. Guys, it's Christmas. You have homemade cookies, okay? So use any of your homemade cookies. Go in with mango. You can add in some cinnamon or whatever you wish. You can add in any topping of your choice. I went in with some mints and then the caramelized walnuts, and there we go. It was super delicious. The best Christmas mango dessert. Everyone will love you on this Christmas day. So you want to spoil your guests with this delicious dessert. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and leave your opinion in the comment section. Merry Christmas, everyone. See you all in my next one. Bye for now.